I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chicken Jockey an infinite craft. First, you'll need to combine some basic elements to create chicken, then do the same for jockey. Once you have both, simply put them together to unlock this fun new creation. It's a straightforward process that builds on fundamental crafting principles within the game. Let's dive into the specific steps for each component. To craft chicken, your primary goal is to combine bird and farm. You can usually get bird by merging flying with animal. For farm, try combining plant and house. Once you have these two, simply drag bird onto farm to successfully create your chicken element. This is a key step towards our final goal. Next, let's focus on crafting jockey. The most common way to achieve this is by combining horse with human. You can typically create horse by merging animal and farm. Human is often a starting element, or you might craft it from life and earth. Once you have both horse and human, combine them to get your jockey element ready for the final step. Now for the exciting final step. Take your newly crafted chicken element and simply drag it onto your jockey element. The game will then combine them, and you'll successfully create Chicken Jockey. Congratulations! You've unlocked a fun new item in Infinite Craft. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your new creation and keep experimenting with more combinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.